morning, ma'am. Welcome to Hotel Del Luna. How may I help you?
Yes, I would like to check in, please.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, it's under the name of Jen Guadalupe, a queen-size bed for a 3 days and 2 nights stay.
Do you have your booking confirmation, ma'am?
Yes, here it is.
Alright, it will be just a moment. May I request for any identification card, please?
I'm sure. Here's my driver license.
Thank you very much. Thank you for patiently waiting. Here's your identification card. Upon checking on our system, there is a confirmed booking under the name of Miss Guadalupe for a 3 days and 2 nights stay. The reservation for Mr. and Miss Nuwas. In the Lux non-smoking room with the view of the lake, your bills will be settled via Visa card amounting 12,810, making it as 6,405 per room per night. Are all correct, Miss Guadalupe?
Yes, that's all correct.
Alright. We will just borrow your ID, please.
Okay, here.
Thank you so much. May I ask for signature here, ma'am? Thank you very much. Here is your receipt, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. What's included in the cost anyway?
A continental meal planned every morning between 8 to 10 a.m., an airport travel service, and the use of hotel safe are all included.
So, what's not included in the price?
Well, as for your room, Miss Guadalupe, you will see a mini bar and the use of it will be charged to your personal account. As well as the hotel provides room services at an additional charge, of course.
What about the wireless internet?
Oh, that's pretty easy. This is our access code and the instructions on how to use it, as well as this is the list of all the hotel amenities like the pool and gym.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, ma'am, this is your card. And I've got you all checked into your room. That's your key card.
Thank you very much.
Just take the elevator up to the 6th floor, and when you get off from the elevator, just turn right. Your room is located at the end of the corridor on the left-hand side. Do you need any assistance to your luggages, ma'am?
Yes, that will be a big help.
Okay, ma'am, just leave your luggages here, and Mr. David will assist you to your room.
Great, thank you.
Should you have any questions or concern, please dial 0 from your room.
Oh, and what time is the checkout?
At midday, ma'am.
Oh, okay, thanks.
My pleasure, ma'am. And your moment at Hotel Del Luna.